If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you!